This is fit for a 2016 through 2019 and likely beyond Jaguar F-Pace with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium Wingbar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the wing bars in black, 53 inches in length, the Rapid Podium foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit which grips to the inner and outer edges of the flush side rails. This is part number KIT 4075. The bars are positioned at 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.
Cool. But I don't know. I think you saw pictures of it. Yeah,